Hearing explosions at the Russian Air Force Base Engels. Explosions at the Russian strategic airfield Engels. This is in the Saratov region. Reports of sirens active at the Russian Engels Air Force Base near Saratov and at least one explosion. This is where a number of strategic bombers are based. Engels is a Russian Air Force base which now has many long-range bombers stationed which are able to launch cruise missiles. The Engels Air Force Base in Russia just had a series of explosions. 2 more strikes on the ruscist Air Force Base in Engels. This is where RU launches its long-range strat bombers to rain missiles.